Hello everyone, I'm here to share my experience regarding the services provided to me by SB Aesthetic. I want to share some of my past experience regarding my pregnancy. I was so much bulky. I put on a lot of weight during my pregnancy and after my pregnancy. So I wanted to get rid of all those extra pounds and all those extra fats which was there in my what we call love handle or the side flanks, and my thighs were so bulky, my abdomen was so big. I was so much fed up of all these fats, and my body was looking not like 25 or 26-year-old patient. Like I was looking like 55-year-old lady. No one can say that I am very young. So I knew about the liposuction process, but I never think about that. Suddenly my husband and my relative gave me advice of why don't you do the liposuction and all this stuff. I started searching about good doctors in Delhi. Suddenly after watching all the good doctors in Google, I come to know about SB Aesthetic. After that I have done my thorough research regarding men, the services and all the stuff. After that I started contacting them. They were very good. They replied me very fast. They were very active. Within 1 week I was able to get my invitation letter. I was in India within 1 week. So you can see the services. Once I reached India, I came and I visited ma'am. But before visiting here, I was not at all worried about any kind of the procedure or something, because I was so sure I'm going to be with best doctor in Delhi. And after meeting ma'am, I can literally say that ma'am was the best, ma'am is the best, and ma'am will be the best. Like she is very polite, very calm. You don't feel like as if you are in hospital. You feel like you are in home. And all the sisters, all the staff, they are starting from Sahil sir till all, they are very good. And the day my procedure or the operation started, I was so comfortable. They boost my confidence. Like they give me so much comfort. They provide me my comfort zone. I was not feeling as if I'm in operation theater or something. After coming back to my sense from anesthesia, I didn't feel any pain, which literally people do. And the night I spent in OT and here in hospital, it was so comfortable. The staff was there. Ma'am used to come thrice, more than thrice, to visit me, and she was asking me about my problems personally. So after leaving hospital, she called me 2 days later for removing my drain. Again, you can say that a patient who has done the tummy tuck and side lipo, still I was able to move from all day from old Delhi to new Delhi. You can see how much I was in my comfortable zone. I had no problem, no pain. Yes, in start I won't say there is nothing. There is tightness, there is soreness, but this is, we can say, discomfort. There is no huge pain, we will say. Ma'am give you medicine and it worked awesome. My personal experience, within 1 week you are able to walk, you are able to do shopping, you are able to carry your kid. So my result is like, still I am in my 13 days post-op, but my result is awesome. I have lost around 6 inch, which I can say literally my clothes were before around 55 or 54 inch. Right now it is around 46 or 45. So this is the huge difference I can see. I'm very happy with the ma'am, with the staff, and with all the experience I had in this hospital. So I advise each and every one of you to please visit ma'am. She is good. You will enjoy her company and all the procedure you are going to do under ma'am.